Hello everyone, welcome to Big Data Knowledge Hunt. In the today's video, we will be seeing the Navy Bayes algorithm types and its different applications. So in the previous video, we have seen what is meant by Navy Bayes algorithm and its basic introduction and the formula which is used to calculate. So the link to that video will be in the description. You can go through it. So in this video, we will be seeing the different types of model that are built in Navy Bayes. So there are three types of model that can be built using the Navy Bayes, that is Gaussian, Bernoulli and multinomial model. So what are this model? We'll see in brief. In Gaussian model, the features follow a normal distribution. So the predictors take continuous values instead of a discrete, and then the model assumes that these values are sampled from the Gaussian distribution. So the curve that is generated from the Gaussian is a normal curve. So the values are always continuous. Whenever you are taking the data set, it should have the continuous values instead of the discrete values. So the next type is the Bernoulli. So it is based on the Bernoulli's equation. So it works to similar to the multinomial classifier, but here the predictor variables are independent of the Boolean variables. So there are two types of variables, that is the predictor variables means the output variables. So as if a particular word is present or not in a document. Like here we will just classify based on the yes or no, and this model is also famous for document classification task. So mainly whenever we are doing the document classification, we use the Bernoulli Navy Bayes classification model. Next is the multinomial. So it is similar to Bernoulli and it is used when the data is multinomial distributed. Multinomial means multiple in the form of multiple values. So it is primarily used for document classification, and here the document may contain two different category. Like example, if we have number of documents, so the documents are of political, sports, education, medical, such type of different documents are there, and we want to categorize it or classify it according to their category. In such type of cases, we will use the multinomial classification Navy Bayes algorithm. So here the frequency is used for the classification. So the frequency of words are used for the predictor and it classifies based on the frequency. So these are the three different types of model that are present. So according to the model, the Python code or the code will change. Similarly, the formula will also change. So whenever we will see the example, we will get to know how the distribution is carried out. Next are the applications of Navy Bayes algorithm. So basically it is a classification based algorithm which is of supervised type. So it is used for credit scoring or for document classification or for text classification. It is also used mainly in the medical field for data classification to classify the different medical records. It can be also used in real-time predictions because Navy Bayes classifier is an eager learner. Eager learner means real-time predictions means it also allows live streaming or real-time data analysis. It is used in text classification, as I told you before, such as spam filtering or sentimental analysis to find out the sentiments from the Twitter or any other thing, or to find out the fake user, or to find out the spam user, or to find out the spam email. In such type of tasks, we can use the Navy Bayes classifier. So these were some of the applications of Navy Bayes algorithm. I hope everyone is clear with the idea. So for more such videos related to machine learning and big data, stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for all the updates.